this equilibrium together, I have to think that they're unready with a probability of, sorry, they're strong. If I see unready, I have to think that they're unready with the, sorry, they're strong with the probability of a quarter. In order for that to be true, they would have to mix a third of the time. Sorry, not mix. They mix all the time. They play unready a third of the time. And then I will update, and I'll say, oh, unready a third of the time, plus this half of the time over here, or all the time over here. I put those together, and then I say, oh yeah, means it's going to be a quarter overall. It's a quarter that we're down this path here. Now suppose p is equal to an eighth. What's that going to do? This will be 7/8 up here, right? If p is equal to an eighth. And this will be 3/8 down here. 7/8 over 3/8 is actually 7/3, which doesn't hold. So that we can't hold this together for that separating equilibrium. There is no semi-pooling equilibrium when in that circumstance.
All right. Just going back a little bit, where did the 1 minus p over 3p come from?
I just solved this thing together, this algebra right here.
Okay.
It's a pain, but I moved the 4p up here, 4pu, then I move this up to here, if you want to go through it, and so then I'm going to have 4pu, pu plus 1 minus p, so I'm going to take that p over here, I'm going to have a 3pu, that's where the 3p comes when I divide by that.
Okay.
Do you see that? Then the 1 minus p is still there, and that's how I get that.
And how does the U come in?
The U is the probability that we're positing that the strong challenger will mix between ready and unready. What probability will he mix, or she mix, I was saying, will she mix to make the incumbent indifferent? With U equal to that. It depends on what the initial probabilities were.
Okay.
So if the initial probabilities were they set half, then they'd say, well, a third of the time I'll choose unready, and 2/3 of the time I'll choose ready if I'm strong.